Ladies and gentlemen, the Central Bureau of Investigation has taken over the probe into the real TRP scam. And tonight there is a stunned silence from the Lutyens media, because their friends will no longer be involved in the investigation of the fake charges that were leveled against us. Tonight, this section of the motivated media is scared, because very soon the facts of the case will be out, the falsehoods will be exposed, and the real scamsters will soon face action. So let's debate.
On Monday, Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh found himself in a mess after being contradicted by both his own police force and the Maharashtra government in the Bombay High Court. His lies about Republic Media Network and the alleged TRP scam is crumbling like a pack of cards.
BARC ने जो अपनी एनालिटिकल रिपोर्ट सबमिट की है, उसमें जो नाम सामने आया है, वो है रिपब्लिक टेलीविजन का.
But today, a significant development in the state of Uttar Pradesh could have larger ramifications on the case itself. Yogi Adityanath government has recommended a CBI probe in the TRP manipulation case over a complaint filed by a private individual.
To be done is the CBI team, as we speak, is already on its way to Lucknow. The case would be formally taken over from the Lucknow police, and this would be then handed over to the Special Crime Branch.
A takeover that can have 5 immediate implications. 1. The case broadens as the central agency gears up. 2. The cases in Maharashtra could also be investigated. 3. More states could recommend a CBI probe in the case. 4. The truth about TRP manipulation will soon be revealed. And 5. The real culprits of TRP manipulation will be probed. In the last 10 days, we at the Republic Media Network have put before the people of India evidence that exposed the Mumbai Police Commissioner's campaign of falsehoods.
कोई एक्शन होती रिपब्लिक के खिलाफ या आपकी कंपनी के खिलाफ, तो बार आपको चिट्ठी लिखती है और आपसे दस्तावेज मांगती है. दस्तावेज हम देते हैं आपको, मगर ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है.
We exposed the political conspiracy to frame Republic in fake cases by carrying out a sting operation in the Maharashtra Congress headquarters.
तो मतलब एक टीम फॉर्म की है सिर्फ रिपब्लिक को बैन
काम पे लग चुकी है. अभी जैसे टीआरपी वाला मामला आया, अभी एक मामला और 2 दिन में आ जाएगा.
So with the CBI taking over the case in Uttar Pradesh, here are the questions that emerge.
We have the FIR in the case and it proves just one thing. It was never about ratings. So why has the Lutyens media gone conspicuously silent on the TRP case now that the CBI is taking over the case? Question number 2 that we are asking today. There is a stunned silence from the Lutyens media. What explains that stunned silence? Now that the real TRP case is going to be probed by the CBI, is the Lutyens media scared? Now that their friends in some political parties aren't in fact going after the channels they dislike, is it why the Lutyens media has blacked out the case?
Let's debate.